Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. This one is a foldable laundry hamper. It's best-selling product. Let's check the detail. There's a Velcro. We fasten the lid to the laundry, and we designed a stylus handle for easy carrying. Let's check the size. "36, height 56 centimeter. I will show you how to foldable for this one. There's cardboard inside. I take it out, then foldable like this. It can post about 4,900 pieces in 40 containers. It can load more to save the space, so the price will be cheaper. The laundry hamper will help you keep things neat and tidy while introducing some style to proceedings. An attractive place to pop your laundry. It's got handles for easy moving, a snazzy addition to your home.